Welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. My people, we don't come back again with another Bunga update. Right now, we want to talk about all the trending things when they happen for Nigeria. I beg, if today be your first time when you discover our videos, I beg, subscribe to this channel, like us, share, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And I still want to say a very big thank you to every one of you who are always here with us. May God bless you all mightily. Amen. You see, when we say that this one Nigeria of 18, Nigeria, go last again. Some people go just be like, just a talk, hey, they are trying to promote Biafra, this and this and that. Finally, Tinubu is going to be the last Nigerian president, the way the whole thing is going right now. Because Atiku has finally dismantled this one Nigeria of 18 with this their ADC coalition and all that. When they tell on us say Nigeria, they no go fit mend down the way when they don't scatter rich. Then they tell us say Peter B, if he becomes Nigerian president, he don't sign for one term and all that. He go make Nigeria better. Who said it? That Peter Obi go even, rebuild Nigeria in 4 years. I'm not saying Peter Obi is not good though. Peter Obi is good. But what I'm trying to say here is that Nigeria don't scatter. Nigeria don't, in fact, I don't know how to put this thing so that you really understand what I'm trying to say. You see, this one Nigeria will work. It's not possible. There is no magic about this thing. This thing is not going to work. And now there is a problem. This issue of coalition, that these politicians are coming together to push this opposition party, that is this ruling party, APC, from office, based on how they don't turn Nigeria into. They see problems. So by the end of the day, with what is happening, the Northerners will be like, oh, the Southerners should go their own now. The Southerners will be like, oh, the Northerners should go their own. This is not working. If you can remember, there was a time, Primate Elisha Ayodele, me not they believe everything when he talk, but sometimes I like to pick some prophecies or predictions. He talk say even this Biafra matter, Oduduwa matter. He say when Nigeria wants to break, Nigeria will just break peacefully. There's not going to be bloodshed. He said because this thing will just come, everybody go like, no, we don't want again. We are living. With what is happening right now, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu might be the last president of Nigeria. There is already crisis everywhere. There is crisis in APC. Big crisis that is even bigger than other political parties. They are just trying to cover up. Una know say the APC chairman, he resigned. Yes, he resigned. The reason why he resigned, they not tell you now. But they can't talk say in the sick. How? Now we don't hear say the vice president, Kasim Shettima, he go resign. Based on say Nigerian president go drop him. So people that are close to him, that like, oh, guy, you need to resign honorably before this man go shame you. The coalition matter, there's a problem. Atiku wants to be a president. El-Rufai wants to be the president. P2B wants to be the president. Amechi wants to be the president. So you see, the whole system is disorganized. The whole system don't scatter. You get me? The whole system don't scatter. Now here I go drop up. So finally, Biafra go just go on his own. There's no stress about all this anymore. Now here I go drop this one. Drop your comment below the comment section. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Share this video, make it go viral. Thank you. See you in my next